Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm in the USI Technical Department. This morning I'm going to show you how to change the tension assembly, any of the parts of the assembly. First, you're going to want to take off the right side cover, which has these metric Allen wrench screws. They're 3mm. They're the same location as the screws on this side. So once you take the side housing off and actually remove your top roll of film, some of the newer machines do have an Allen set screw that is inside the knob that screws into the red friction stud. You want to unscrew this screw, and in order to change any of the assembly, you unscrew the tension knob. Then you have your spring, you have your metal washer, and you have your leather washer. You can see your red friction stud has a bolt that's attached to it with 2 pins. The bottom one is blue, this one is red. Sometimes when people turn the tension too tight and they go to laminate, they snap this bolt off of the red piece and the assembly will be very loose. So this part you can purchase. You put it through the frame. You put your leather washer back on, which has holes cut out in it to fit over the bolt and the 2 screws. Then you have your metal washer. Then you have your spring. Then you have your tension knob. And everything kind of screws together like a little puzzle piece. You can put the Allen screw back in, or you could leave it out. Now sometimes when people turn the tension knob too tight, they screw the threads onto the flat part of the red friction stud and it's super tight. You have to back off on the tension. Sometimes they back off on the tension and they get it hung up on the screw head. So if there is a screw inside, you need to take the screw out in order to get your tension loose or tight. Everything fits together like a little puzzle. They did put the screws in because people used to back this tension knob out and all these pieces would come out of the little pins, so they didn't fit together again like a little puzzle piece. So that is how you change the red friction stud, and you do the same thing for the bottom. It's identical.